Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss the hover event. So first of all, what is the hover event? The hover event is just used when we take the mouse over any element. Here you can see that when I take the mouse over this element, so it create an event that is hover. So we can we have the two function in the hover, and we will discuss these things. And first of all, here is the div. I have already created it, and here is the selector. Here is the div, and dot hover is the event, and here is the parentheses this, and in between it function parentheses brackets. And now in between this, first of all, this is the first function. This function is must be placed inside the hover. This function is the necessary function to apply the hover. And here we can alert you have your mouse is over element hover. Here I have alert the hover. Here you can see that it is hover, and here you can see that here when we take the mouse here, so it is not creating any, and when we take the mouse over it, so here it creates the hover effect because we have moved the mouse, so that's why it create two notifications. And here I want to tell you something. This function is execute when we take the mouse over the element, and when we remove the mouse, so we can define another function for this. Here is the function. This function will be work when we remove the mouse from the element. Here is alert remove. Here it is. So now this function, the first function is necessary and the second function is optional. And here is I'm gonna refresh it. Here it is. And now when I take the mouse over it, so it create hover. Here it is. And now here you can see that the mouse is removed, so it create another notification removed. So in this hover is also useful. We will use it at many places. And now in the next lecture, I'm going to teach you about the chaining. What is the chaining? Let's see that chaining in the next lecture, and that is an important concept. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next